Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 19th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as either a running flat or an expanding flat. If it's an expanding flat, I think it will take out these highs. If it's a running flat, I think it will make a lower high. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think we're already in that wave 1. This is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and I think we're already in that wave 3, So that means that this is like a 1 of 3, this is a 2 of 3, and I still think there's a very good odds that this really is a wave 3 already, and that this is going to go up and make that wave 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we had FOMC news yesterday. It caused a lot of spikes in both directions. It really still hasn't actually settled in a direction. I mean, for me, the higher time frames are all in an uptrend, so I always do lean towards up. I was definitely thinking that this was actually going to end up going down one more time, maybe hitting a Fibonacci level before it went up. But we're going to have to keep an eye on it, because when the trend is up on the higher time frames, and you think that it needs to go down and make another pull down before it goes up, oftentimes what happens is it just keeps on trending up from there. So definitely be careful with the counter trend trading. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can see what I was thinking was possibly a impulsive down wave A and then like an expanding flat wave B, and I was thinking that this thing was going to go down to like the 50 or the 61.8 for wave C before it actually ended up continuing the uptrend. It even did break structure to the downside, but it looks like it's trying to reject structure, so I'd be paying very, very close attention to this move up right here to see if it makes a lower high. If it does make a lower high, then it still is possible that it's going to go down and make a wave C. If it doesn't, then you definitely want to continue to look for logs. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got it zoomed out a little bit, and I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. Like I said, we did break structure to the downside, so I was expecting this to be the end of a wave B, and I was expecting it to make a downtrend for the wave C, down to like the 50% possibly. Now I got my Fibonacci retracement on here because I'm watching these Fib levels. Like I was explaining on the higher time frames, we have to keep in mind that all the higher time frames are in an uptrend. So even though we do kind of expect it could go down for a wave C, it definitely doesn't have to go down for a wave C. It could easily just keep on trending up. When all the higher time frames are in an uptrend, if you are on the shorter time frames trying to go short, you're definitely fighting the prevailing trend. So I am keeping an eye on these Fib levels to see if we get some sort of a bounce and a reversal. But honestly, the trend is up, and it may just keep on trending, and it's probably more probable that it will just keep on trending up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.